margin right 20 px. That's all. Go here, give space. Friends and ವಿಷಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೂತಾಗ if you ask silly things, I will take 1 year to complete this website. Okay, so you also ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, use your brain. Okay, yeah, it's mandatory. Okay, mandatory to provide proper structure. Without this li also directly you can use the a, then also it works. But the structure, if you want to create proper structure, you go with this. Clear? Okay, so now observe here, guys. Okay, we will go to this part. Okay, we'll go to this part. So how to create this? Yes, this one. So clearly concentrate. Okay, I am making it ipsum. Okay, the class name I will consider it as ipsum. So now I will consider the whole thing as one division. Clear? See, wherever I am moving around, so the whole thing I will consider as one division. I'll give it as main ipsum. As the class name, I'll give it as ipsum. So before that, you go here, you clear these properties. Okay, here you start, you will write navbar starts. See, now easy to identify, right? This code belongs to navigation bar if you pass comments here. Yes, so here you pass navbar ends. Okay, navbar ends. This is CSS code, okay, which is belongs to navigation bar. So similarly here, so navbar starts, navbar ends. So here now I will start ipsum starts, ipsum ends. Okay, ipsum ends. Then ipsum ends. Okay, so now observe here. Okay, now observe here. Clear? Okay, these are spelling mistake, forget about this. See, now I will create one division. Okay, division I will pass a name to this as ipsum, class ipsum. Then class ipsum, remember. So now see, I will consider the whole thing as a division tag. I considered this whole thing as what? Division tag. Understanding, guys, what I am telling? The whole thing I considered as what? Division tag. Clear? So now go back here. Okay, go back. So now inside this, how many divisions are there again? 1 and 2 divisions are there again. How many divisions again? Inside the big division, we have 2 divisions, this one as well as this one. Clear, guys? Yes or no? Yes, we have 2 divisions. So let me take these 2 divisions. Take 2 divisions. Okay, so division into division dot, I will pass in a class called ipsum content. Okay, ipsum content class name. Okay, so 2 classes I require, 2 divisions I required into 2. I got 2 divisions, ipsum content. Both are having what? Ipsum content class. So now observe here, go here, first one, it is h1 tag, copy this, go back, place here. Okay, place here h1. Done. So place this, your content. Go back, send, take this, copy. Here also you pass. Okay, after this you make this as h1 only. I'll paste this. So I will reduce the content, don't worry. Okay, done. So observe, we got this completed. Now guys, okay, use this second division, go back, bring it. Okay, in between this, how to add the content? With the help of what? Paragraph. Okay, with the help of paragraph. Go back, paste this. Okay, paste this. Now observe here, we are pasting here. Done, we are pasting. Clear? So next, after paragraph, we have, okay, the icons we can add later, we will see, guys. So, but let me add first list. Consider this as a list. Okay, I will add 3 list. Then I'll go here. I will add ul inside this li. Okay, li. Then some content. I will copy paste this content. Copy the content, paste here. Okay. So then again I will pass li. Then this content I'll copy. I'll paste here. Okay, I'll paste here. Then again this content I will copy li and I'll paste here. Then I'll copy this content. Okay, copy this content. I'll add inside this paragraph tag. Okay, after this ul, I will add this inside paragraph tag. This content I have added. Clear? So save this. So we have added the things, guys. So understood right here. So see, if you observe here, reload the page, guys. See, it looks like this. See how it's looking. So you have added some content, right? So we have to bring it to like this. Very easy, very easy. Clear? Very easy. So now what to do, guys? See, if you want to bring the elements to the same line, see, these are 2 divisions, yes or no? So this is one division. Okay, where it is, this is one division, this is another division. Division means what? Block level elements. It will be displaying in the different line. How to bring it to the same line, guys? How to bring it to the same line? How to bring it to the same line? Which property we use to bring this to the same line? Inline, yes or no? Display inline. So we have to go with what? Display inline. So I will select, okay, I will select this class ipsum content. Okay, copy this. I'll go here. I will pass ipsum starts. Ipsum starts. Then I will go here. I will pass ipsum ends. Ipsum ends. Ipsum ends. In between this, I will paste. Okay, in between this, I will paste this class. Okay, this is the class I'm using now. So here I will pass display inline. So is it working? Observe here. Go back. Reload it. Is it working, guys? Is it working? Any changes, guys? No. Okay. So let me reduce the width, guys. Why means the content is big here. See, the content is big. The width division is occupying the full width. Observe here. If you want, you can go here. Let me check. Background color. Background color pink. So now observe here. Why it is not occupying? See, guys. Okay, background color will if some content. Why color not applied here? If some content is correct, class we are passing. Yes. Okay, okay. Background color is not applicable. Let me check. Am I passing any background color here? No. Okay, it's working style.css. Some content. Background color thing display. Let me reload the page this again. Oh, why it's not applying? Let me think this. Okay, it's applied. Why means I applied, okay, background color. Then so because of this display property, guys. Okay, so observe here. So now it's working, guys. It's working. Clear? Now it's working. No, not division. Division, everything is perfect here. Okay, every division is perfect here. Clear? Everything is perfect. I created properly. See? Now display inline. Okay, I will pass here. Observe here, guys. Okay, background color you have applied. Background color you have applied. Then so now go here. So let me pass here, guys. Let me pass here now. display inline block. Okay, you should pass what? Display inline block. Inline block. So save this, reload page. No changes. See, now it's applied. Yes or no? Yes. So why means why it is not coming to the same line means if you use inline, observe where it is affecting your CSS properties. See, you know, right? Height, width. Okay, it affects some CSS properties. Yes or no? So now what I do, display inline block is working. Display inline block is working. Yes or no? Display inline block is working. See, it's working. But why it is not coming to the same line? See guys, the width of the two divisions is big. It's occupying the whole space. There is no space on right side of this division. How it will come? So what we have to do? Okay, first let me reduce the width. Okay, width of this both the division to 50% to the 50% of the page, so that it can occupy both. Okay, observe here. Super. Still it is not occupying. Still it is not occupying. Let me make this as 40%, guys. So save this 40%. See, okay, super. We got. Yes, instead of this, guys, I'll use pixels only. I don't want. Okay, so I'll use 600 px, guys. 600 px. So now observe here. We got this. Yes, now it's coming side by side. Yes, now it's coming side by side. Yes, we are getting this side by side. So now what I do here, what I do, guys. So now concentrate. So let me provide some space like this. See, some space should be there and some color should be there. I will pass some color, guys. See, some gray color is there here. Okay, I think it's visible, or else I'll go here. For the body only, I will apply some background color, guys. Whole body, the body background color I'll apply here. So hash ef. Okay, so save this. See, now it looks good. See, done. So background only I have applied some color, little bit of color I have applied. So now observe here. Okay, now observe here. Okay, so this one I should need to provide some space like this, top, on the top and left, right, everything. So what I do, for the main division, guys, for the main division we have some class ipsum. Copy this. Okay, for this one, guys, for this one I'll go here. So the ipsum class, I will select the ipsum class. Then I will select the ipsum class. So here I will pass margin all four sides 80px, all four sides 80px. So it is 80px. All four sides I'm providing margin, guys. Clear? It should be margin. Then so save this. Now observe here. See, reload the page. See, wow, super. It's providing all four sides margin. S, it's providing. S or no? S. Sir, 40 is more, sir. 60 we will pass, sir. Okay, observe here. Reload. Not that one, this one. Reload the page. S, enough. If you want more on top, so you go, guys. Okay, we use two values. Top, bottom, 80px required. Left, right, okay, 60px required. Save this. Now we got this. Super. See, done. So now in between these margins we should apply. Okay, see, in between these two divisions I need to apply some color. Okay, margin here, left margin I will apply. Where I will apply? I will pass margin left 40px. Then save this, reload it. Yes, okay, not 40, make this as 30px, guys. Save this. Let me check. Yes, let it be like this, it will come. Okay, it will come. Done. So now padding also I will apply, guys. Padding. So all four sides 50px of padding I will apply for this division. See, the space is not there, right, between the content and the border. So we'll get the space. Yes, super, guys. Now we got this. I'll remove the color. I will show you. So now little bit margin you remove, guys. Margin make this as 20. That's all. 20. Reload the page. Okay. And again, I'll remove this margin itself. We don't want. We have applied padding also, right? Okay. Then we got this as super. Little bit width only I will reduce. Why means it is not fixed. Okay, save this, reload it. Okay, reduce the width, you will get it. Okay, 500. Yeah, super. We got this. Yes or no, guys? We got this S side by side, we got S or no? Clear? So now, okay, remove this, okay, background color we don't want. So the background color I will remove. I will add it to Ipsum so that it will applicable to the whole content. So like this. Super, right? So I'll add some light color, okay, or else I'll make it this as white, background white. So now observe here, white color, how it's looking, white color. Same like this, SR no, same like this. Yes, white color is there, background some color is there. Looking right? Yes. See, observe here. We got this. Done. So now let me arrange it properly, guys. Okay, if you want little bit of shade, guys, sir, it's not looking. It's little white, sir. So what you have to do? Transparency you apply little bit transparency. Okay, you'll go for RGB values. Okay, you go for RGB values. Go for transparency. See, little bit of transparency you apply on white color. Okay, that I applied. Save this. Now observe your white color how it looks. Yes or no? See how it's looking. So observe again. I'll reduce little bit. Reload. Okay, now it's correct. Yes or no? Correct, right? If you want, you can reduce little more. Okay, correct, right, guys? So now this one little bit bigger, this one little bit smaller. Let it be like this only. Okay, let it be. Okay, I'll change the tag. This tag. So here I'll change the tag to H4. So else I'll change it to H5. This one I'll change it to H5. So here also I'll change it to H5. So now save this. So now I will select, guys. Okay, I will select. See, so I'll go here. I want to make like this, right? So now observe here. Okay, so I'll go here. So the tag H1 tag which is present inside this Ipsum class only. So the H1 tags which is present inside, okay, the Ipsum class, Ipsum content. Yes or no? Right? So now here I'll go. I will pass font size. Font size. Okay, some 40 px I will pass. Save this. Observe how it's looking. Yes, it's looking good. Yes, it's looking good. Clear? So font size, okay, 50 px. So see, done. So now we have some content also here. Yes, we have some content also. This is bigger, right? This is bigger. If you want, you can increase. You make this 50 px. Let me check this how it's looking. Okay, it's more than this 45 px. Yeah, super. So you increase little bit. Okay, you take H5. I have pasta. I should use H2. Why I have used H5. Okay, so observe here. Oh, done. This is done. Correct, right? So if you want some color for this, okay, sir, we have gray color. Okay, so go here, pass some color for this H1 tag. So here you go color you pass. Okay, so gray. Okay, gray, this gray. Okay, I'll go here little bit. I'll change this gray color. Save this, reload it. You'll get that color as here, guys. Correct, right? Understanding? Yes or no? Any doubts? So instead of this list, how to add the icons, okay, you have to go for font awesome website. Font awesome, font awesome website. Don't forget to copy the CDN link. Okay, yesterday I have shown how to copy the CDN link, right? Okay, here search for check mark. Okay, check. That is check mark, right? Mark, no, check mark it is. Oh, we are not getting check mark. Okay, this one I think so now, guys. Which one it is? See, okay, this one only I think so. Okay, shall we select this? Shall I select this? Yes, this one I will select. I'll copy this, guys. See, I'll copy this code. Go back. So I will add. Okay, I will add. Where I will add? Just inside this li you add, guys. Inside this li you add. Okay, inside this li you add. Then here also you add. Save this. Save this. Go back. Go back. Reload the page. Okay, am I getting here, guys? Am I getting yes or no? Done. Am I getting? Yes, super. So now I don't want this dots. I don't want this dots. So if you don't want this dots, so go for UL tag. UL, select UL tag. Okay, the UL tag of what? Ipsum content. Directly don't select the UL tag which is present inside Ipsum content. Select this. Okay, select this. Select this. Why means we have already have one more UL tag in navigation bar, right? So here UL tag which is present in Ipsum content. Inside this, I will pass, okay, list style type property. What is the property name? List style type, see lowercase, uppercase, whatever you want. Okay, I will pass none. Then I will pass what? None. So when I pass list style type none, it will be removed. This is the type of the list. It will be removed. Super, removed. Now we have to bring this to left side. Yes or no? The whole UL tag, we have to bring this to left side. So I will go here. I will bring this to left side. How? Margin left minus 20 px I will pass. Now minus, guys. Again, backward direction I want to move, right? So I'm passing like, see, it's moving, yes or no? Okay, make this as 32, guys. 32 I will pass here. 32. Save this and reload it, guys. See? Okay, still required. Okay, I'll pass 35. Okay, 38, I think so. Or it's 38. Enough. Then guys, we got this. Yes or no? If you want to change the color of this icon, what to do? Select this class. Which class? For check double. It is present in all the check marks. Select this. Okay, copy this class. Go here, provide dot. Okay, provide dot. Copy this, paste here. Okay, color. You pass. Okay, green color. Okay, green color. Done. So I'll pass green color. Save this, reload the page, you'll get in green color. Are you getting in green color? Yes or no, guys? Green color visible, right? Yes or no? Green color visible, right? Yes. Yes, sir. So easy, guys, very easy. Then, sir, I want little bit space between this, sir. You go, okay, use li, which is present inside, okay, which is present inside lorem ipsum content. See, ipsum content ul, again the ul, the li. See, now the property will be applicable only to li, guys. Li which is inside ul inside, okay, content. Only to this li properties will be applicable. Clear? So now I will pass margin top, 10 px I will pass. Let me check. See, top margin it will provide for all the LSC. Super. Clear? See, we got the space also similar to this. This is the text. Okay, the font family is different, guys. You can also change the font family. Nothing will happen. Similar to that we are getting, guys. Yes or no? As any doubts you can ask. Doubts, guys? Any doubts? See, the same thing we got. Okay, right. So I'm showing the structure. Okay, if I use bootstrap, I'll get exact structure, guys. See, who will teach you real-time concepts? Tell me. Anybody is there who will teach you real-time concepts? How to do the things like this? Any class you are seeing real-time concepts? Answer me, guys. Any technology, are you learning how in real time it's working? You guys don't practice this, you will not learn this technology. You know how much scope is there for this technology? Okay, you go behind Java, Python. Okay, so observe here, guys. Okay, so how to add the space above the division means you select this ipsum class. This is the main division. Okay, for this ipsum class I'm passing margin top 80 px, so it is applicable. Bottom also it will be applicable. Clear? Okay, so I don't want to force you guys. Okay, learn the things and all. Your money, not your money, your parents' money. Do whatever you want. Okay, I know. See, the strength is also less. I'll complete this batch as soon as possible. Okay, the strength was 200. Now the strength is 122. Go behind Java. When you don't get the job, then come to me. Okay. Sir, because of aptitude. Sir, because of programming. Sir. They ask logical questions, sir. Okay. Then you come. Then I will not respond. Clear? In mock, you have to get 1 star. You'll get to know how I will conduct mock. Remember this, okay? Remember this thing. No replies from your side. You're not replying and you're bucking the classes. No. I will show my face to you guys. You attend the mock. If you don't attend the mock, then also I will show. ಅಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದ ಬಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. 200 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 200 ಓನ್ಲಿ 122 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೀ 121. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 250 ಜನ. ನನಗೇನೆ ಬೇಕು? ವೈ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ವೈ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೀಚ್? I don't have work. I don't have any work here to do. Tell me. 122. Yesterday it was 170. Now it's 122. Why it's Saturday? Why I should take on Saturdays? I will also cancel on Saturdays. I know what to do. Don't worry. Okay. So I want only 10 students from your batch. If I get 10 students, that is enough for me. The students who are very good, sir, whatever you taught, sir, we are perfect in that. We want web technology interview. Place me, sir. I will support them. I will support 100%. I'll support them. Rest of the students, you go, you attend. If you get reject, another interview, other interviews, no other technology. Even if it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript interview, and along with that, you have to go with Java plus HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then also you guys are not eligible if you don't know these things. Remember. Then also you are not eligible. I will see who will provide interviews to you guys without knowing these technologies. Okay. Any interview, if it is having HTML, CSS, JavaScript plus Java, means it will go to both the trainers, Java trainer as well as web technology trainer. Okay, both should clarify. Okay, yes, this student has given the mock, then only you can attend the interview. I will see who will add you. I will see. If you have HR number also, if you call him also, he should come to us only. Without informing us, he will add. No, we know what to do. Clear? You're bunking. No, I know what to do. Okay. See how I'll conduct mock each and everything. I will not leave ABCD also, whatever I have taught. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, concentrate here. Okay, bari theory ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಯಿರಿ. Theory, everything theory. Don't understand real time things. Okay, go with only theoretical things. In colleges also you have learned, here also you learn theoretical. No one, okay, don't try to understand how we are using, where we are using. Clear? Okay, so this one I need to design now. So this one, guys, so what I will do now, so I will consider the whole thing. See, there is a gray color, yes or no? I'll consider this whole thing as one division. Observe here, I'll consider that whole thing as one division. Yes, I'll consider that whole thing as one division. Done. Okay, I have considered the whole thing as what? One division, right? Done. So now I'll go here, I will add this. Okay, observe here, I'll add this, guys. Done. So see, first one division I will add. Okay, one division I will add. Here I will go. Okay, so what it is, guys, lorem, I will consider it as lorem. Okay, I'll consider it as lorem. So I'll go here, so lorem starts. Okay, I'll pass lorem starts. Then I'll go here, I'll pass lorem ends. Okay, lorem ends. Then, so inside this I will pass something called, okay, inside this I'll pass, okay, one division which is having a class called lorem. Okay, lorem. Then, so class is equal to lorem. Then class is equal to lorem. Clear? So now here, guys, okay, inside this I will create two divisions. See, one division and two divisions. For these two interlink, this is one division and this is another division. So first what I do, let me create one division first. Okay, let me create one division first. Let me create one division. Okay, the whole division and the cards, okay, whatever is there I will create. So then I will copy paste the same division. Okay, just I'll change the content then. Clear? So now go back here. Okay, so now I will pass, okay, division. So lorem content. Okay, so lorem content class is equal to lorem content. Clear? Lorem content. So inside this again three divisions we have, guys. 1, 2 and 3 divisions. Yes, so I will pass here. Okay, let me create only one division first, guys. Division, I'll make this as lorem. Okay, so class is equal to lorem card. I'll consider the box as a card. We actually call this kind of things as card. Then I created. Okay, so one division I'll created lorem card. So then inside this first I will add icon, guys. Icon. So I will add I. Okay. Inside this, I will add at the rate. Later we will see, guys. Later we will see at the rate. Then I will add h3, h3. So here I'll pass this content. Later we will add, guys. Later we will add the icon. Okay. I don't know the icon names. Okay. So next, copy this content. Copy this content. Okay. I'll paste here. I'll paste here. Then I'll paste here. Okay. Inside the paragraph, I'll paste this. Super, guys. Done. This is done. This much we completed, right? So one card we created. So observe here, if you reload this page, observe here, you added here, yes or no? You added. Clear? You have added. Then you have added. Now observe here, margin left to right. Okay, I need to provide some space. Okay, left to right. So what I'll do, I will select this lorem. I'll go here. I will start now. Okay, lorem starts. Okay, starts. Then I'll go here. Okay, lorem ends. Then, so here the class which you copied dot lorem. So inside this, I will pass margin left to right. I want. Okay, so margin I will pass margin. So shorthand property only I will use margin property. So top I don't want. Top is 0px is enough for me. So bottom I want bottom. Okay, top left right. Now right side I want a 50px. Okay, it's a 50px. Right side 50px. See, 4 values. When you use 4 values, guys, this indicating 4 coordinates I have told you. Okay, so 50px I want, and bottom I want some 50px, guys. Bottom 50px. Then left I want 50px. Left also 50px I will pass. Then save this, reload the page. Yes, we got. See, we got this. Similar to this, we got. Yes, we got here also, right? Then, so now I will make this as a box. How to make this as a box? Apply some width. Apply some width. Okay, width. So pass width as 400px. Done. Okay, save this. Is it looking like box now? No, it's not looking like box. Okay, see, it's not looking like box. Little bit width, if you want, you can reduce it, guys. 380. You can pass 380. You reduce it. Okay, you reduce it. Done. Done, guys. See, it's not looking like box. Why? Means because of the color. Because of the color, it's not looking like the box. So you apply. Okay, you apply some color. Okay, some light gray. For which class? Lorem class. So sorry, you have to select lorem card, not this one, guys. I'm making lorem card. Okay, dot lorem card. For that you apply. Okay, this width. For that you apply, guys. Okay, I'll apply. Now observe here changes. Done. Okay, done. So now apply here some background color to this lorem. I'll go with background color gray. In some gray, I'll select this gray, light gray, like this. I'll select SS. Okay, this gray I will select. Save this. So observe here. I will give some transparency. Don't worry. Okay, later. Okay, I'll give some transparency here. Okay, I'll go with RGB transparency. Yes. Okay, let it be like this now. If you want, you can give transparency here. Yeah, enough. So now observe here, guys. Okay, so in between all the cards, so little bit of padding you pass, guys. Padding all 4 sides 20px I will pass. That is enough. See, 20px. Super. See, we got this. Yes or no? We got this. So 20px, not 20px. Make this 50px. It looks good. All 4 sides. Okay, 50px of padding. Done. So now for this card, I will apply background color. So white color, I will apply background color white. Background color white, I will apply. Save this. Reload the page. See, we got this. Yes or no? We have got this. Done. So little bit you reduce the width. Okay, little bit. Okay, or else you apply the padding. Okay, the space is there, right? Space is there, top bottom, too much of space is there. Yes or no? top bottom too much of space is there, so I will go with padding. Yes, padding. So top padding, so top and bottom I'll make this as a 100 px of padding, top bottom, and left to right I want only 20 px of padding. So save this, reload it guys, reload it. Okay, super, I got this card. Yes or no? I got this. Then so I'll bring it to this shape, don't worry, I'll bring it to this pattern. Clear? I'll bring it to this pattern. So just remember, okay, just remember. So I have applied padding, right? So now, okay, observe here, it's looking like this. So now if you want little bit of padding, you can apply guys. 140. Okay, 140. Yes, we got this. Okay, 140 is too much. 120. Yes, enough. So now let me reduce some width. First, let me add two more cards, guys. I will see how it is looking. Let me add two more cards here. Okay, whether it is occupying the proper space or not, I'll get to know. Okay, reload the page. Okay, all the cards in the same line. So what we have to do? Display inline block. Display inline block. So it will come to the same line. See, let me check. Okay, one card is not coming. So let me reduce the width, guys. Make this as 300, guys. Reduce it. Okay, it came. So a little bit of left side margin you apply for all the cards. Okay, margin you apply. Okay, margin left. Okay, so margin left I will pass, margin left. So 20 px I will pass, margin left. Reload it. Reload it. Yes, we are getting. Yes or no? So see, same thing. Yes, little bit of width if you want, you can make this. Okay, or else the better example, how much width is required? Inspect the element, guys. Inspect it, check it, how it will be going to look. Okay, so I'll change the inspect. Okay, and this one console view. So observe here how much width is required. See lorem card, right? So let me increase the width here. Use arrow keys. S super. Okay. Yeah, this is enough, guys. This is enough for me. Clear? We got this. What is the width? 320 px. So here only we will add 320 px. So if you refresh, same thing. Understanding, guys. Understanding. See little bit. Okay, you have to apply what you know. Little bit you have to apply here. Something you have to apply. Okay, see, you are getting shadow. S or no? You are getting shadow. S. Shadow you are getting. Then the box color is a dark white. S or no? First we will see that how to apply. Clear? So now observe here, guys. Observe here. Okay, observe here. I will go here. I will go here. This is mine, right? So I will go here. Okay, I will use this. Okay, I'll apply some transparency. Yes, done. Oh, it's looking. Observe. Yes. Okay. So because of this background, you can reduce the transparency here also. Yes. A little bit reduce this transparency also. Okay. Okay. Super, guys. See. Correct, right? Yes or no? Correct. So now when you hover, it should be dark white. Where you are hovering on this lorem card. Okay, on this lorem card, you are hovering and the background color should be dark white, right? I will make this as white color. Then save this. Now observe, first we'll see white color. Okay, I should hover, right? Hover pseudo class, I will use hover. Save this. Now observe, reload. Are you getting this one? You understood, right? Hovering. Yes. So bring this content to center, guys. Okay, all the content to center first. Pass text align center. Okay. Pass text align center. Save this. Reload it. So it's on center now. See, content is on center. Yes, the icon. Okay, forget about this icon. We will add later. Okay, it's not a big deal. Then, so understood this one, this structure you understood, guys. What I have done. So now shadow also I want to apply. How to apply shadow when you hover? there is a something called box shadow. Box shadow. Okay, box shadow. So I will pass 2px, 2px, okay, 1px blur rate, okay, 3px blur ratio, and color is gray color, guys, gray. Okay, save this. Reload here. Sorry, reload this. See, observe here. Are you getting shadow? Some shadow you are getting, right? Yes or no? I'll increase, okay, I'll increase 4px, 4px. See, you will be getting shadow. Visible, right? S, S, S. Shadow is visible when you hover. S, S, guys. So now what I do, the shadow should be like this. See, it's spreaded here. Spreaded, shadow spreaded. So one more argument is there. You pass fifth argument. Okay. Spread ratio 4. Okay. 3px. I will pass 3px. This is spread ratio, guys. Okay. Spread ratio. Observe here. Okay. So make this as blur. 8px blur. I will pass. Okay. 8px blur. And or else make this as 10px. Okay. See, you are getting top also shadow now. 20. You pass 20. Yeah, guys, we got super, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? We got here, yes or no? This is spread ratio. This is blur ratio. So I'll make this as a 6px blur ratio, right? So observe here. Reload the page. Understanding, guys. Yes. So if you want, you can change a little bit. Okay, you go to RGB color, and here you can go with opacity. See, this is alpha value, so it looks correct now. Yes, understood. Yes, yes. So now, okay, it's changing. Okay, immediately. If you want to change slowly, what we have to do? If you want to change slowly, what we have to do? We have to do something called. Okay, we have to do something called transition. Yes or no? Yes, correct. Transition, right? Slowly we have to change like this. Slowly, yes, slowly. We will go with what? Transition property. So let me go here. Okay, let me go here. Transition. Okay, where I should pass transition lorem. Okay, lorem card. Here I'll pass transition. So transition. So which property? What you are changing, guys? You are changing box shadow as well as border color. Okay, background color. Provide this. Okay, provide this box shadow and background color, guys. Okay, I will pass this copy, paste this, and I want to change it in okay 8 seconds, 0.8 seconds. Then comma, again this property you are changing. Yes or no? Again this property you are changing. So copy this, paste here. Again it should be 8 seconds. Same thing, 8 seconds, right? 8 seconds. Save this. Go back. Reload the page. Yes, understanding, guys. Understanding what I'm doing. Understood this one. Yes. Okay. So now let me add icons first. Okay, I don't know the icon names, guys. I don't know the icon names. Okay. Let me check. Right click on this. Let me check which icon it is. Inspect it. See, don't ask me this shape. Okay, that is SVG tag. We cannot use here. The shapes, whatever they have added, no. Just I'll make it as circle. Don't ask me how to add. That is SVG tag. Observe here. So just I'm going for icon. Okay. So dribble icon, that one. Okay. Let me check here. Icon on dribble. Dribble. Okay. So here. dribble icon we got. Copy the code, go to source code, add here dribble, where you should add inside this, instead of this I, you should add this I pasted code. Okay. So similarly, I'll go here. I will check which icon it is. I'll check which icon it is. This one. Okay, this one. Yes, this is bx file icon. Okay. I'll check here bx file. B hyphen x, else bx file. I don't know whether I will get or not. Okay. We don't have, guys. Okay. I think the bx file icon, it's they have created by their own. Okay. So we don't have in this library bx file. Just I'll go with file, guys. We have file icon. Okay. I'll go with this file icon. Okay, file icon I will go. So whatever the file you want, you can add here. So if I'll see if the similar kind of file is there, I will add. Okay, we have similar kind of file. Yes, which file it is? Similar kind of file. This one, I think so. 3 should be there. This one, right? It's similar to that. Okay, this one only will add, guys. Okay, this one only will add. Okay, copy file, file invites. Go here, remove this, paste here. Okay, so similarly, I'll go to this. I'll check for this icon, which icon it is. Click on this icon, tachometer. Okay, icon name is what? Tachometer. I'll go search for tachometer here. Tachometer. Tachometer. Yeah, we got this, guys. Got this. Which type of tachometer? Plain tachometer. Plain tachometer. I'll copy this tachometer. Tachometer fast. This one only will take. Copy this code. Okay. Go here. Remove this. Paste it. Okay. Paste it. Done. So similarly, we have added the icons. Okay, we have added the icons. Rest of the icon you go and add. Okay, you don't have time. So rest of the icons you add. So close this. See, save the file, reload the page. You will get the icon. Yes, we are getting the icons. Yes or no? Okay, we got the icons. So now first, let me increase the size of this icon. How to increase the size of this icon? Observe here, guys. So go here. Okay, copy this for dribble class. Okay, here I will pass dot for dribble comma. So then this class fa file invoice class, copy this. Okay, dot fa file. Then observe here. So for tachometer, copy this. Here I will add. Okay, so I will add comma dot tachometer. So font size I will increase it to. Okay, font size I will increase it to 25 px. Okay, 25 px. Save this and reload it. Yeah, super, guys. Yes, we're getting right. Sir, no, sir, 25 px. Make this as 30 px. Also, we can make 30 px. Also, we can pass, guys. 30 px. Save this. Now, see, increased. Yes, sir, no, increased. Now, colors. Okay, colors, sir. Okay, colors, sir. This one we have blue color. This one we have, okay, orange color. This one we have pink color. Okay, observe here. What I'll do separately, you should pass. That's all. Separately, you call here. Okay, call here. Done. So here we have what? Color, text color. Which color it is? Which color it is, guys? Which color? Okay, cyan. I'll pass cyan. Okay, in cyan, I will select some color, guys. Okay, I got this. Done. Save this. See the same color you will get here. Reload the page. Yes or no? You are getting why font size. Oh, that is why px is somewhere. 30 is somewhere. Reload it. See, we got the same. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes, correct. So now let me add. Okay, same thing. Let me add. Okay, let me add some background color for that. Background color. Okay, background color. So not here, guys. Well, when we hover, we are getting background color, right? See, when we hover, we are getting background color, or else it's gray color for everything. So let me add. Okay, so here only I will add gray color. Background color. Okay, so light gray. Light gray. I'll take. Okay, light gray. So reload it. We got. So let me okay, increase the padding here. Okay, padding, I will pass padding, all four sides 50 px of padding. All four sides I required. Okay, it's too much. Make this as 20 px. Yes, that is enough for me. Okay, so now make this as border radius. That's all. Border radius 100%. I will pass border radius. So 20 px, let me pass 20 px, or else 50 px. How it looks, let me check. 50 px, reload it. Yes, super, guys, I got. Yes or no? I got. Clear? Then I got 50 px, 40 px, whatever you want, you can pass, guys. Okay, whatever you want, you can pass. Done. See, check. That is whatever they did, no different design. That is SVG tag. Okay, we cannot do only with HTML, CSS. Okay, we need required JavaScript also for that. So till here understood, guys. So little bit. Okay, I need to change this light gray color. Okay, to RGB value. I'll change it to RGB value, and little bit of transparency should be there. Yes, transparency should be there. Yes, little bit transparency should be there. So I'll go here. Hey, close. Okay. So little bit of transparency. I apply transparency. See this. I don't know how it looks. Yes. Yes, guys. Then visible, right, for you guys, this. Yes or no? Understood this one, guys. These are the common properties, right? These are the common properties. Okay, these are the common properties for all the classes. Now separately you should pass. So you take a for dribble file. Okay, you should pass some color. So I will go with this. Okay, I will paste here color property. Which color they are using? Observe here which color they are using. Orange. Okay, I will pass orange. Which orange they are using? Orange red they are using. Save this. Go back. Reload here. Yes. So now which color they are using? Okay, which color they are using? Crimson color they are using. So I'll go here. Okay, I'll copy this. Copy, and here I will pass. Okay, paste this, and here I will pass color crimson. I will pass. Okay, crimson. Save this. Go back. Reload it. Done. We got successfully. We got here. So now what to do? Little bit of, you have to increase the size. Okay, font size of this text. So go here. Okay, instead of H3 you use H2. That's all. You use H2. H2. Save this. Reload it. Done. We got. Change the content. That's all, guys. I don't want to copy paste the contents. Okay, all these things you change it. Okay, copy and paste. Just you need to change the content in the division tab. So we are ready with our card. But last thing you should remember, what? When you hover on the card, it's changing the background color of the circle here. Yes or no? In our case, it's circle. Yes or no? Same background color, and the icon become white. See, icon become white. So what I should do? Observe here. Now, where you are hovering, okay, on division, lorem card hover. Yes or no? When you hover on this, next I'm writing some code. Okay, remember when you go hover on this card, anyhow you are performing some operation. Then again, when you hover on this card, so for this classes, for this class, for this class, okay, when you hover on this class, observe here, when you hover on this, for this one, for this far dribble class, only for this class it should be applicable now. When you hover on this card, far dribble class, background color should be, okay, this one. Okay, observe here, background color should be where it is, okay, dribble, same color, I will pass. Okay, background color should be this color, and the text color should be white, then save this and reload the page. Now observe here. Super, am I getting, guys? Yes or no? As the moment you hover, the background color is changed and the text color, okay, icon color is white. Understood this? Can I do separately for everything? Same thing, okay, same thing. And what I'm doing here, when you hover on this, okay, let me copy, guys, copy this. When you hover on card, okay, card, this class, okay, which class? Dribble, okay, this invoice class. Then you should apply some property, guys. Yes or no? I'll change the class name here. Then what is the color you should apply? Which color you should apply? This color, background color should be this one. So I will paste this background color here, guys. I'll paste this background color. Text color should be white itself. Save this, reload the page. See, it's working. So it's working. It's not working. So what to do? Same thing you repeat. Okay, paste it. So when you hover on, okay, which card now? Tachometer. When you hover on tachometer, okay, observe here, when you hover on tachometer, so the background color should be crimson, okay, then text color should be white. Save this, reload the page. Observe here. Understood, guys? Super, right? Correct, right, guys? How to design? Understand? See, from your batch only one student, I don't know his name, just they have given this much of task, that's all, this much of task. And I think they like this, the cards they have given 2 hours they have given to, okay, create this. What's your name? Okay, someone called me right after the class, sir. Are you present here now? Are you present here? Someone yesterday called me after the class. Sir, they have given, okay, same similar to like this, sir, and some 6 cards they have given like this. He asked me to, okay, help sir, how to do. See, very easy. See, I'm explaining to you guys. That is the reason I'm taking. See, I started the session at Bhanu Prakash. Okay, I started the session at 12:40. Right, 1 hour I have taken for these 2 things. Yes or no? I'm teaching to you guys. That is the reason. Or else it's 20 minutes for me. Clear? So similarly, if you want, sir, some more are there, sir. Some more are there, sir. Go copy paste the same division. Okay, which division? Lorem content division. You copy paste. See, lorem content division. You copy and paste here. Okay, paste here. Save this. Okay, reload the page. You will get it. See, you are getting, but it is no space here, right? So go here, and create one class. Lorem content margin. Okay, where it is lorem content, okay, we didn't use only. Go with this lorem content I will create one separate class. What is the class name I will use? Dot lorem content margin. Dot lorem content margin. Then, so here I'll pass. Here I'll pass. Okay. So something called margin top. Okay. 30 px I will pass. Save this. So now this class I will pass to second division. That's all. I'll go here. I will pass to second division here itself. Provide one space, paste here. See, multiple classes you can pass like this. Provide one space, multiple classes you can pass like this. Now it will, space will be provided. Observe here. Wow, super. Yes, sir. Now we got the space also. How easy it is. Yes. Clear. Rajshekar Ellur, I am not going to repeat, okay? He's asking me to show how you have added the image in lorem ipsum ante. It's, first of all, that is not image only. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು? So in the place of icon, if we need to add any image, then should we use I tag and hey, directly you use image tag. I means icon. Why you want to use? Directly you add image tag. What will happen? Clear? So now, okay, this is the bootstrap related thing, dynamic thing, JavaScript and bootstrap it is, guys, okay? Because the website itself, they made it, okay, they developed with the help of bootstrap. Clear? And this one we will see tomorrow, guys. This two or not tomorrow. So this adding images is very easy. Just to add whatever the images you want. So already I have shown adding images, how to add, okay? Remember this. This is also very easy. Then tomorrow we will meet. Okay, sorry, Monday we will meet, okay? So if you have any doubts, you can ask. I'll wait for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Or else I'll wait for 5 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can post here. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the session. So everyone understood, right? Today's session. Have you learned something? Have you learned how to design? See, full website I am developing. In front of you only I am developing, right? See, I didn't see your faces, guys. Okay, I didn't see your faces. I didn't meet you. But when you bunk the classes, now I'll get angry, guys, because I'm having continuously from morning batches. 7:30 to till 8 o'clock. I'm having batches. Morning 7:30 to night 8 o'clock. Okay. If we are giving our 100% means at least you have to give your 50% also. Sir, can we fix the navigation bar? Thanks for this project, sir. Go to no. Okay, I will show you how to fix also navigation bar. Don't worry. See, guys, whatever the code I am updating in GitHub, every day you have to take it, because if I do any changes, no, the changed whatever the changes I have done, that code will be updated. Remember. Yeah, we can add Jyoti. See, Tirumala, second type of card, same thing I have copy pasted, right? Same thing I have copy pasted. See, same thing I have copy pasted. Lorem, okay? Lorem content, the same division I copy pasted. You are applying to this classes means it will clear. Tirumalesh. Yes, guys, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave the session.